There are really people na di gyud sila kaantigo muhatag. Pero naapoy mga tao, maskin ganig tan-aw nimo, murag wala, pero kamao muhatag. Mamaningon ni Pablo sa mga tao sa Macedonia. Iyang gipanghambog sa Corinto. Siya nakabalo mo ang mga tao sa Macedonia, pirti ka manggihatagon. And he was not referring to those people nga daghan ka adunahan. No, in fact, they were tested with many troubles. They were very poor. Pero naa sila pagpukusa na magbigay. Grabe lang, anything lang, andam sila mo hatag. Dili man siguro inanak ka dako, pero naa sila kasing-kasing nga dako. Amen ba? Na kay ang mga tao who knows how to live generously, they may not have much, but they have a bigger heart. So ang mga tao nga kamao mo hatag sa uban, sa ilang strength, sa ilang time, sa ilang efforts, sa ilang talents and abilities, they have a bigger heart also. Is it true that God has been so generous to us? God has been so, not just good, but generous to us. Grabe ka manggihatagon ng Ginoo ba? He has given us life. Kana palang sapat na para mahimo pudang kaantigo mo pasalamat sa Ginoo. And not just that, He did not only give us life, He gave us love. He loved us. While we were still sinners, Christ died for us. Tiyaw mo na, namatay na daan ang kiigitahan sa Ginoo, ang iyahang kinabuhi, gihigugma na taniyang daan, wa pa'y siguro kung mahigugma tagbalik niya. Nakita niyo, He took that risk just because He is generous. The God we serve is a generous God. Please do not be mistaken God as if kuripot, as if kanang tawag na, close-fisted. No, He's not the God, that kind of God. He is the God that rewards. He is the God that blesses us. He is the God who is generous to us. In fact, one passage says He has given us everything we need in this life so that we will prosper, succeed. Gitagaan ta sa Ginoo kaalam, kusog, kahibalo. Gihatag na tanan sa Ginoo ba? Inay mo katapad, nasa sayo na ang lahat. No, dili lang kay Daniel Padilla. No, nasa imuha na, kaya lang ano ang ginawa mo sa lahat? Ang problema, wala. Wala kay gibuhat. Now listen, the Lord has given us so much. He's been so good and generous to us. He loved us and provided for us generously. We cannot afford to stay stingy to Him while He has given His all to us generously. Kung ang Ginoo, He is so generous to us, gihatagan ta niya sa tanan natong pagkinahanglan, no, di ba ang ayan pud siya nga hatagan sa atong tanan? Tama ba? No, He deserves it all because He first has given us His all. Pwede raman unta nga di way sapayan ra gid unta ba? Pwede ra ta niya pasagdan pero kay lagi nahigugma siya kanato. Iyang gihatag ang tanan para kanato including His very life.